So hello student, as I told you, I will take another session for that particular exam that I already told in your earlier classes. So as you seen on that our whiteboard, that I am going to tell lots of information about it. So before we begin, I will request you to subscribe my channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get this entire notification about it. Okay, so let's start. So as I told you that this exam was Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. So very important examinations started by our Government of India. So it's a scholarship based examination, very valuable examination. Certificate will be provided for that. So let's what the next things are there. Number one, website www.bvm.org.in. That means if you want to see this entire information, you can visit this website so that you can get entire information about it. Now I am going to tell you a very important things, that subject, what should be the subject first of all for this preparing the examination. See, this subject is based on science, math, Indian contribution to science, and life story of this Venkatesh Bapuji Ketkar. As we know, Venkatesh Bapuji Ketkar was an important, very renouncement, veteran persons of our India. So Government of India took this initiation to take this examination basis of that biography. So what will be covered in this examination? See, science and math together will cover 50% of the marks. That means out of total 100 marks, 100 marks, 50%, that is 50 marks should be covered from science and math, and these science and math should be from your NCERT syllabus based. Next thing is Indian contribution to science. It's very important session. In that sections you have to know different current affairs of it and different static knowledge of science about it, from ISRO to NASA, etc. different things, whatever contributions of India in NASA, whatever contributions of Indian in ISRO and different organizations, you know. So this section should be covered, and it should be 20% of the total weightage. That means 20 marks. It should be 20 marks. And next things is life story of this Venkatesh Bapuji Ketkar. From his biography, it should be 20%. That means also 20 marks. So here it is 20 plus 20 becomes 40, and 50 becomes 90, and 10 marks should be from your reasoning section. That means it should be reasoning section will cover 10%. That means it is 10 marks. Yes. So if I calculate these things, I will get total 100 marks. So this 100 marks should be from this different subject. Now what I am going to tell you next is that very important things is registration. Where we will start this registration. See, these types of examination has take very long time for it, because nowadays this pandemic situations are going on. So for that reason they actually extended this date from 1st August to 30th September. So this is a very long time for our registration purpose. So if you have not registered already, then you can go this website, and first of all you have to register, then log in and fill up this entire process. So next thing is exam date. When would be the exam? So this exam will be conducted on 29th to 30th November. That means 29th November most probably it should be on Sunday, and 30th November I think it is Monday. So these 2 dates will be exam, and time of this exam should be from 10 AM to 8 PM. That means from morning 10 AM till to 8 PM, and time for each section is 90 minutes. That means suppose you have entered or you have logins on your website, then you will get 90 minutes for this exam, and after finishing this time you will never, that means log in again. So this is for the individual informations about the other student also. So this is important time for it, from 10 AM to 8 PM. Yes, these examinations will conduct different offline meeting sessions. So for that reason you may conduct, or after this first sessions of this examination, they will try to conduct with you if you take different positions on that examinations. So question is that how I prepared my examination. So for this preparation, that means Genius Print Education has started a complete course on it, whatever study materials is necessary we will provide to you, and whatever information, different current affairs, static knowledge, etc. will be provided to you, but you have to subscribe our channels and hit this bell icon for getting this information. So let me tell you very important 2 or more things about it, as that it's totally an award based examination. Award would be given to student. See, it's in different level examinations will be conducted, level 1, level 2, level 3, etc. That means in school level performance, then in district level performance, state level, zonal level, and then national level. So various levels should be there, and if you crack this different level, then you will get a cash money or cash award about it, and different mementos or certificate would be given. See, as these examinations is conducted by our government, as these examinations will be conducted by our central government, so it's a very reputed examinations. I will prefer it for all of you, because the certificate of this examinations is very important for you also. Now next things is how we will register. First you have to go this website www.vvm.org.in, and then you have to registration. That registration options is given in the upper side of that dashboard, and you will see that a login options also there. So after, first of all you have to register these things, then you log in, and then you can fill up your form. Now next things is that, so these type of examinations how we will conduct. See, for that examinations, if you want to crack this, you have to prepare yourself. This is not an ordinary examination like you for different other examinations. See, we are going to conduct different other also. For example, our NNMS exam, Olympiad exam, etc. different examinations we are actually conducting. But beside these examinations, this is also very important examinations, because question should be very upgrading question. Sri Venkatesh, already heard these names in a couple of minutes back. So he is a very renowned or veteran persons. So all these details informations about him we have to know, and different reasoning sections you have to know, and different science and technology, maths, etc. various information you have to sharply know these things. So if you take these entire things, then it may possible for you, as government will try to select different school basis student from different school. They first of all choose this student, and then they will conduct another examination for this entire district, and then they will conduct this examination from the entire state, then entire zonal, then national level examination. See, there are different lots of other informations is also there. So you have to visit this website, because this is very important. When this exam, where this exam, what should be the rules and regulation, all these informations are given there. So I have discussed various informations or a lots of information. I think it would be better for you. So next thing is that our complete course for it is I think will be starting next 2 to 3 days. So if you want to take this, please write on the comment sections that sir, I want to take this course, and write your phone number also, so that you can personally contact with you. So because it's a very study materials are also applied for that examination, so we have to give different study materials. If you want to take this offline study materials, then also it is good. Otherwise we will online classes or video lectures or different notes on them. So I will request you to continue this examination and boost your score, so that you can definitely crack this examination. So today in this class, up to these informations for you, so continue with us.